Hello everyone, so welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to make left to right flash on CapCut. So first get your clips ready and then just go to overlay and then click on stock videos and add the white image. Click on add, fit the size and then adjust it on how long you want it to be on your clip. And then after that, go to mask, select foam strip and then set it half the screen like this. So rotate it and then make it half the screen like this. Okay, and then click on a check icon and then go to animation, out, and select fade out and then set it all the way like this. Okay, and then next copy the overlay, on the copied version, this one, the second one, go to mask again and then click on invert, click on a check icon and now the video, the flash, the left to right flash will look like this. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful to you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.